Composable WFM is where you take the stack of WFM from demand forecasting, labor optimization, scheduling, time capture, and then compliance transformation. That whole stack, the composable aspect of it is being able to take portions of it. And when you build that stack, having each portion be able to interact with another. So using a modern stack on the technology side allows for interaction of these different components in ways that it's not extremely dependent one on the other. So when I was doing implementations of more legacy solutions back in the day, the issues would be that if you wanted to make a modification to functionality somewhere in the stack, it would almost be kind of like spaghetti. You pull it and then just keeps going, or how magicians would have those handkerchiefs that they keep pulling out of their mouth and it just never ends. That's kind of what happens when you try to modify something that has a ton of dependency and something that doesn't have composability built in, where you say, hey, this specific service can now communicate with this service, which, if done properly, a composable system is far easier to extend, far easier to work with, and far easier to tailor the needs of an organization. You can get an average suit and tailor it beautifully, and it just fits well. And an organization's needs are no different. You have specific needs, specific metrics, specific KPIs, specific processes that have likely evolved to have its own life, a complex nature to it. So a composable system allows a tailoring of needs that non-composable systems strictly do not allow, because there's so much dependency. You keep pulling at the handkerchiefs and it never ends. And that just translates in real life terms to nonstop change requests and massive complexity. A fully composable system avoids that completely and is able to get to the point and tailor to organizations' need far quicker.